Well, here I am at Cafe 27, and there's a lot of people. I'm just going to turn around and let you see. But it's full of motorcycles. Everybody is coming out of isolation. But if you're on the bike, who else is going to touch you except it's your old lady? You're touching your old man, holding on to him, keep him from falling off. Look, we even got ladies back here riding. But anyways, I'm going to start coming down 27. I'm going to take a right on Krome Avenue. And then I'm going to take a right at the Mikasuki Casino onto 41, which is Tamiami Trail, but we're taking the back roads. Come on, let's see the ride and what it's all about. Well, here I am at Four Corners, and there's more motorcyclists getting out of isolation. A lot of Cubans, a lot of Americans. So basically, the casino's over there, and we're gonna go head west on 41, Tamiami Trail. This is actually where it all begins. Everybody's having fun, getting out Sunday. Let's do it. Tamiami Trail. Highway 41, which goes from Miami to Tampa, and basically everything is closed, but there's a lot of cars on the road, a lot of motorcycles, and as you can see, there's a lot of people just fishing, barbecuing along the canal here in the Everglades. Now, I stopped here at one of these arts and crafts. This is an airport tours here, and it's empty. But we are in the middle of the Mikasuki Indian Reservation. We are in the National State Park. We are in the Everglades. We're talking about crocodiles, panthers, and pythons. And not all in that order. So I just decided to take a break and show you guys around here what's going on. Everything is closed, but we're riding. Let's go.
I've been around
Tamiami Trail, is having here this post office, which is the smallest post office. What does it say? Let's see what it says here. Considered to be the smallest post office in the United States. It is. It's like a little coffee shack. Look at this thing. Let's just walk around it. The smallest post office, and this was one of the points of interest when we had the Ironman rally about a year ago. And this was considered a lot of points. And my buddy Roger, basically, he got here when it was open. He got the bonus points, and they put the stamps. You can send mail here. You can buy a postcard, and they'll stamp it for you. And this is like one of the historical sites. It is a working post office. So when you're coming down Tamiami Trail, I'm 41. You got to stop. Chuppy, Indian for you Hoka guys. Chuppy. Well, I'm back where I started from, here at Cafe 27. I was gonna keep going because I ended up taking 75 east. I was gonna get gas at the Mikasuki's and go into the in the Indian part of town, and it just didn't happen. So I got gas, and then I realized I left my credit card with my driver's license over here because the gas pumps weren't working, and they wanted that for me to fill my tank. But I had to go to the bathroom so bad, and people started talking to me, and it totally blew my mind. And then when I went to go get gas, I'm like, man, where's my credit card? Well, actually debit card. Where's my driver's license? So anyways, I got it, no problem. They charged me, I'm good. I checked the bank online. They didn't make any crazy purchases. But hey, I tell you what, coming back down here, it's like a car club. All these little Fast and Furious little dudes, like this guy here. I mean, now up, look who's here. Look who's here. Go get him. Go get him. And Fast and Furious don't pay in Florida. Anyways, here I am at Cafe 27. It is closed. No band, no booze, no nothing. It's deader than a doornail. But there's some action in the parking lot. Broward Sheriff was after somebody here. But it's always exciting here in Broward County. There's a reason why I didn't have to go down there to... we'll do that another time. Check out the Indian Reservation, all the good stuff they got to see there, their museums, and... But here we are. I mean, I've never seen so many little cars. All these little Fast and Furious cars, young kids. You know, they shaved the side of their head, and they got this big old mushroom bush coming out. So, this is the end of the run. We did the Tamiami, probably not even halfway, because it goes all the way to Tampa. But maybe we should do it. We should do it, but I don't know. I think there was a big meetup, and they all showed up, and then they're down here buying beer and getting their cigars, grape cigars. Broward Sheriff over here to keep the peace. Talk about peace. Peace out. The beautiful thing is you can hear the birds, the wildlife. You can just hear it. It's really natural. Oh, there goes the bird. bird up there.